guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't posted in like a hot minute. I've been what have I been doing? Schoolwork. Literally all I've been going to is school and classes, and I had to focus on school for about a week because like classes I was trying to get in the groove of things, you know, so I think I finally got in the groove of things. But yeah, anyways, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I decided that I'm going to show you this look, so if you want to figure out how I got this look, keep on watching. Through all the products I used beforehand on my face so you guys at least have an idea of what is on me right now. At the moment, I don't have any face foundation on. I only did concealer today because lately I've been liking the no foundation look but with like contour and just concealer. So I've been using my I use my my Tarte concealer in the color Light Sand. I use this like every video I've done as a makeup tutorial. Then I use the Shade and Light Contour Kit by Kat Von D. Yeah, I use that to contour my face. And then I also use the Too Faced Born This Way Translucent Setting Powder, and that's good stuff. I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the color Dark Brown to do my eyebrows today. So yeah, but anyway, I decided I'm going to go straight into this eye look. So here we go. Okay, so for this eye look today, I'm using 3 palettes. Yes, when I do my eye makeup, I like to, actually I'm going to be using 4 palettes. I like to mix and match them because like some colors are more pigmented than the other ones, some look better, yada yada yada. So yeah, so anyway, for my first palette, I'm using the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place. Really good palette. And the color I'm going to be using first is this yellowish orange color. Yellow, this is like a burnt yellow, not like a true yellow. So to apply the eyeshadow, I'm using the Morphe M433 brush. I got it at Ulta. Heck yeah. And all I'm going to be doing is using this blending brush and applying it to the upper part of my eye. I don't know what to call this because I'm not that educated with it, but I'm just going to blend it out on the top part of my eye, like where my eyebrow meets, and I'm just gonna continue blending that out till I feel satisfied until I need to move on to the next color. So once the eye is all blended out like you want it to be, I then will go in with the James Charles times Morphe palette. Morphe times James Charles, whatever. And I'm going to be using the really bright yellow color right here. And I'm just going to use that same brush. I'm going to apply it to the crease of my eye. And with this part, you're going to want to really, it's going to take a little bit of time to blend out. I had to apply it like 3 times to get it really pigmented. So, just a fair warning. Okay, so once we have that yellow blended in, I'm then going to go in with the orange color right here. No, this one. I'm going to go in with this orange color. I'm just going to add a little bit of it because I don't want this look to be too orange. I want it to be more of a yellow tone. But I'm just going to, I like to apply just in the inner crease, and I'm just going to blend it out. And then I'm going to go in with this I'm just going to blend this orange and this yellow. I had to think about what I had done. Orange and the yellow onto the brush. I'm going to apply it to the lid. So basically right now your whole eye is matte. So next, after I apply all my matte shades and make sure they're all blended out really good, I'm then going to go in with this newest palette I just bought by BH Cosmetics. It's the Zodiac palette, and these colors are so pretty. And you know what's really funny is the Zodiac that I'm a Leo. The colors I'm using today are based off of a Leo and a Cancer, but I mean whatever. Leo, August birthday, hashtag Leos are queens. Not like all of us are queens, but Leos especially. But yeah, I'm going to go in with this color and okay. And so for the shimmer shade, I'm using the color well, first I'm gonna use the color Cancer here. It's the really yellowish golden orange color, and I'm going to apply that to my lid, like in the middle area, not all over but in the middle. I'm going to go in with the color Leo and apply that as well. For my inner corner highlight, I'm using the this color here. It's like it's basically a highlight. Ooh, yes. It looks so good. And then I'm going to use a regular angled brush. This one's by Real Techniques, and I'm using the Pretty Rich Too Faced palette. And I'm using the color Diamonds for Breakfast, and I'm going to apply that to my brush. And I'm going to use this as a glitter topper, and you're going to apply it to the crease, and you're gonna stop it halfway. This just adds a little bit more glam to it and just makes it look more ta-da and poppy, you know? Pops out more. So yes. So once you apply that color, I'm then going to go back in with the Zulu palette, and you don't have to do this, but I'm using this green sparkly color for my waterline because I just thought it gave it a little bit more pizzazz, you know? Mascara, I use two mascaras. I use They're Real by Benefit, and then the Too Faced Better Than Sex for my second coat. So for this first coat, They're Real is really good for growing your eyelashes. Like, if you use it over and over, this stuff will really grow out your eyelashes. And then to get the complete finished look, to top it off, I use my Fenty Beauty Glow lip gloss in the color Fenty Glow. To set my face, I use the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I'm just gonna spray that on, and I will let it sit. So yeah, so my look is complete. Really quick, easy tutorial. I mean, you could wear this look really with anything if you like wearing the wild colors. If it's not for you, you could just go for a simple darker brown and mix the golden colors with the brown color and go for a natural glam. but I like using bright colors. So yeah, anyway, here's the look up close. So yeah, anyway, sorry I haven't posted in a while. I've just been so busy, but yeah, hopefully I'll have a new video up by like next week sometime. I don't know when. I'm just kind of doing it as I do my eye makeup, and I'm like, ooh, if I like this eye look I come up with, then I'll make a video. So yeah, just stay updated on my makeup page at Makeup by Lauren Ryan on Instagram. But anyway, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm at 66 subscribers. I'm trying to reach 100. That's my goal. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think on this look, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.